Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create any image we want with ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can open the chatgpt.com or you can also open the ChatGPT application. And after that, you're going to log into ChatGPT and you can click on this icon to access more features in ChatGPT. And I'm going to click on Explore GPTs. Okay, and we need to scroll down until we find the Dall-E feature, this one. We're going to use it to create any image we want. And I'm going to click on Start Chat. Okay, and then you can describe the image you want to generate. I'm just going to type in create magical forest for me. Okay, then I'm going to send it to the AI and then the AI will generate image for me. For the better result, I recommend you to type details information about the image you want to generate. But here, since this is just for an example, so I'm just commanded to create magical for us for me. Okay, and this is the result guys, and if you want to download it, you can tap and hold on the image and you can click on download image. Okay, just like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to generate any image we want with ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.